When was the last time you saw something like this at a big box store? That's exactly why I stopped. I was driving by this place and it already looked pretty good from the road, but once I got inside, this is not a normal garden center. There's a lot to see here. Right away you notice the cactus, and there's a lot of them. All different kinds, different shapes, different sizes, some small, some really big. And most of these are native to Arizona, which is why they do so well out here. Most of these store water inside, so they're built to handle long periods without rain. You could spend a lot of time just in one section alone. Look at this one. And as you look around, you start to notice no two really look the same. Different textures, different colors. The name of this place is Desert Foothills Garden Nursery. And when I arrived here, I asked for permission if I could do a video. And they said yes. They were very nice about it. And they were easy to talk to, which makes a big difference when you're doing these kind of videos. It just makes the whole experience more comfortable. And they also mentioned that they've been around since 1985, 41 years. When you look around at this property and you see how large it is, it's something else. And it's far more than just a nursery for cactus, which you're going to see soon. And this is where you realize where it changes. This is not a typical nursery. It is so much more. There's so much stone, boulders, sculptures, fountains, and some of this is massive. This isn't something you just throw in a cart. This is more like designing a space. You start to see what you can actually do with all this. Water features, statement pieces, things that completely change how a space feels. I also wanted to mention that they have a very large selection of pots, from large ones to small ones, all kinds of colors and textures. It's definitely a place you want to come to if you're interested in buying some beautiful pots. This is way more than I thought it was going to be. And honestly, this place is not for everyone. This isn't your typical stop, and it's not your everyday garden center. This is one of those places that makes you want to spend money. But if you're looking for something specific, something different for that space that you have out back or in the front yard, you gotta come here. And this is where you realize box stores just can't compete with places like this. And I just want to be clear, I'm not saying they're bad, they're convenient, they're affordable, but this is just a completely different level. This isn't where you come for a quick plant. This is where you come when you want something different. And they have plenty of that here. It's easy just to go with what's close, what's familiar, but when you step outside of that, you start to realize there's a whole other world out there you never knew existed. And that's what I'm doing. Just going out, exploring, and bringing you along to see what's out there and to see who has what. And every now and then, we'll see who's doing it better. And seeing a place like this, it really changes how you think about things. It educates you. It's not just about buying plants, but it teaches you about creating a space, how everything works together, and how it makes you feel when you walk through it. So yeah, definitely not what I expected. I came here for Cactus, but it turned into something completely different. So where are we going next? Hopefully somewhere near you. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.